Welcome. In front of me is REALME GT3, and in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't want to recognize your fingerprints. So in such situation you'll have to set up a new fingerprint for your device, and to do that let's go to settings, then scroll down to security and privacy settings, select device unlock, then select fingerprint and face unlock, and then select fingerprint, agree, like this, draw the screen lock pattern. If you have some previous fingerprint models set up on your device, remove them beforehand, and once you're ready you can click add now. But before we proceed, let's first use a dry towel to wipe the surface of the screen, especially the part where we'll have to use our fingerprint, which we're gonna press using the fingerprint in order to make it smooth and make our fingerprint readable for the smartphone. So wipe it carefully, then press add now, and then start placing your finger on the sensor. Carefully add the main part of your fingerprint, then add the edges. To proceed, then click done, and at this point the fingerprint is added. So right now we can go back to settings, and what you have to do next is select system and update settings, go to software update, and check if you have any updates for your device prepared, and if you do, please take your time and install any upcoming updates, just to make sure that your hardware is in touch with your software. And just before we proceed, let's also turn off the phone by holding the volume up key and the power button together. Then select restart and wait until your device is restarted, we have to do this just to make sure that all the settings, all the changes applied, and right now we simply have to wait for the phone to be rebooted. And when your device is restarted, let's first unlock it using the pattern or password or PIN code, whatever you have prepared. And right now let's try to unlock it with a fingerprint, and as you can see, everything went smoothly for me, and I hope it did for you too. And if it did, please consider letting us know about it in the comments. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like, and I'll see you in the next one.